The Central Library of Dr. Sudhir Institute of Technology and Sports Complex serves as a dynamic knowledge resource center, supporting academic excellence, research innovation, and lifelong learning. With a rich collection of textbooks, reference books, national and international print journals, e-books, e-journals, databases, digital resources, state-of-the-art facilities, and user-centric services. Our library serves as a gateway to knowledge for every aspiring engineer. The library offers a spacious, peaceful, and technology-enabled environment that supports focused study, research, and collaborative learning. High-speed internet access, online public access catalog facilities, remote access facilities for digital content, digital learning platform, and book bank facilities for semester-long issue of prescribed textbooks to support uninterrupted learning. Our library fosters curiosity, creativity, and lifelong learning. Whether you are preparing for examination, working on projects, exploring research, or developing new ideas, our library empowers you to think bigger and achieve more. Join our institution and gain access to a world-class library where knowledge meets innovation, empowering you to build a successful future in engineering and technology.